Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that we've covered the origins, let's take a deeper look at the specific international trucks that shaped American models over the years. From design changes to engineering breakthroughs, these trucks helped push American manufacturers to innovate. Let's dive in. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS, are another area where international manufacturers have influenced American trucks. ADAS features such as blind spot detection, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control have become common in modern trucks. While these systems were initially more common in European trucks, their adoption in the US has grown significantly in recent years. European manufacturers, particularly those based in Germany and Sweden, have been at the forefront of developing ADAS. Mercedes-Benz and Volvo, for instance, have been integrating systems that use cameras and sensors to help drivers detect obstacles, monitor blind spots, and avoid collisions. These technologies have been critical in reducing accidents and improving overall driver comfort. American manufacturers, taking cues from their international counterparts, have started to integrate similar systems into their trucks. Brands like Freightliner and Peterbilt now offer ADAS features in many of their models. Features like adaptive cruise control, automatic braking, and lane-keeping assistance have become standard on many trucks in the US, helping drivers navigate the roads with greater ease and safety. Emissions and environmental impact. International trucks have also played a significant role in reducing the environmental impact of trucking by pushing for cleaner emissions and more sustainable fuel options. As environmental awareness has grown, international manufacturers have been at the forefront of pushing for better fuel economy and lower emissions. Emissions standards and regulations. In response to stricter emissions regulations, international manufacturers have pioneered new technologies that reduce pollutants emitted by truck engines. Diesel particulate filters, DPFs, and selective catalytic reduction, SCR, systems, both of which were developed in Europe, have been widely adopted by American truck manufacturers. These systems help reduce harmful emissions like nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter, making trucks more environmentally friendly. In the US, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, has introduced stringent regulations to curb emissions from heavy-duty vehicles. These regulations, which have been in place for decades, have been influential in driving innovations in truck engines and exhaust systems. International manufacturers, who have been adhering to these regulations for longer, have shared their expertise with American companies to help meet these standards. Sustainable and alternative fuel options. International truck manufacturers have also been key players in the development of alternative fuel options, including electric, hybrid, and compressed natural gas, CNG, engines. European brands like Volvo and Daimler have been at the forefront of developing electric trucks for urban delivery and long-haul transport. These alternative fuel options are increasingly popular in the American market, as consumers and businesses look for ways to reduce their carbon footprint and save on fuel costs. In addition to electric and hybrid engines, CNG-powered trucks have gained popularity, especially in regions where CNG infrastructure is more developed. American manufacturers, such as Kenworth and Peterbilt, have started offering CNG models to cater to the growing demand for cleaner, more efficient trucks. The rise of electric and hybrid trucks is perhaps the most significant trend influenced by international innovations. Trucks like the Tesla Semi, Volvo VNR Electric, and Freightliner eCascadia are making waves in the industry by offering zero-emission alternatives to traditional diesel-powered trucks. These trucks are not only environmentally friendly but also offer lower operational costs, reduced maintenance, and a smoother driving experience. Market trends and consumer preferences. The U.S. truck market is undergoing a major shift as consumer preferences evolve. Increasingly, consumers are looking for trucks that offer both luxury and utility, and they are placing more value on fuel efficiency and environmental impact. International trucks have played a major role in shaping these trends, with many American manufacturers adopting similar design philosophies. Increasing demand for luxury and comfort features. The demand for luxury and comfort features in trucks is on the rise. Drivers today expect their trucks to offer not only performance but also comfort and convenience. International trucks have been at the forefront of offering luxurious interiors, with high-end features like leather seats, premium audio systems, and advanced infotainment options. American truck buyers, who were once primarily concerned with performance and utility, are increasingly looking for features like large touchscreens, advanced navigation systems, heated seats, and climate control. Manufacturers like Ford, Ram, and Chevrolet have responded to these changing demands by integrating these features into their trucks, following the lead set by international brands. Rise of electric and hybrid trucks. As mentioned earlier, electric and hybrid trucks are gaining popularity in the American market. Fueled by growing environmental concerns and the desire to reduce fuel costs, both consumers and fleet operators are increasingly turning to electric trucks as a cleaner, more cost-effective alternative to diesel-powered models. International brands like Volvo, Daimler, and Tesla have already rolled out electric trucks, and American manufacturers are following suit. Trucks like the Ford F-150 Lightning, the Chevrolet Silverado EV, and the Rivian R1T are leading the charge in the electric truck market. As battery technology improves and infrastructure expands, we can expect the market for electric trucks to grow rapidly. The influence of international trucks on the American market cannot be overstated. From innovative design features like the cab-over-engine layout to cutting-edge safety technologies and environmental sustainability, international trucks have played a pivotal role in shaping the trucks we see on American roads today. As the trucking industry continues to evolve, the integration of international technologies and the shift toward eco-friendly vehicles will undoubtedly continue to shape the future of the American truck market. As manufacturers adapt to consumer demands for more luxurious, efficient, and environmentally friendly trucks, we are likely to see even more changes in the years ahead. What will the next generation of trucks look like? Only time will tell, but one thing is for certain: international trucks will continue to shape the industry and drive innovation for years to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.